Hello everyone. Are you over 50 and looking to stay fit? You've come to the right place. Age is just a number. Let's dive in. First up, let's get moving. Regular physical activity is key to maintaining health and vitality. Here are some fun ways to stay active. Walking. A low-impact exercise great for your heart. Strength training. Build muscle with light weights or bands. Yoga and Pilates. Increase flexibility and balance. Swimming, a full-body workout easy on the joints. Dancing, have fun while burning calories. It's never too late to start. Find activities you enjoy. Let's talk nutrition. What you eat affects how you feel. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Stay hydrated with plenty of water. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. A balanced diet fuels your body to thrive. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is essential for energy levels. Support your body's natural defenses. Improve focus and reduce stress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Social connections are vital for well-being. Spend time with loved ones for emotional support. Join clubs to meet like-minded people. And volunteer to give back and find purpose. Strong relationships boost happiness and longevity. Exercise isn't just for the body. Your mind needs it too. Keep your brain active by learning new things, like a new hobby or language, enjoying mental games such as puzzles and crosswords, and practicing mindfulness to reduce stress. A sharp mind enhances your life. Stay proactive by scheduling regular checkups. Early detection catch issues before they become serious. Get guidance tailored to your health needs. Consult your provider before starting new regimens. A positive attitude makes all the difference. Cultivate gratitude and focus on life's joys. Age is just a number. You're as young as you feel. Celebrate your achievements and wisdom. Set new goals. Pursue your dreams. Your mindset shapes your reality. So there you have it. Staying fit and healthy over 50 is about embracing a balanced lifestyle. Stay active, eat well, sleep soundly, connect with others, and think positively. Make this chapter of your life the best one yet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you for watching, and stay vibrant and healthy. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support really helps the channel grow and reach more people. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button down there. Don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That way, you'll get a friendly alert every time I upload a new video. You won't miss a thing.